You urinated. And did you urinate? I'm surprised. Look at my body. You've never done this before. Neither had I. I don't know. What's going on here? Shame on you! How can a grown-up woman, a woman of your person, urinate on the bed that she's lying on?
That's very useless. Come on, shut up there. Can you perceive the smell of this urine?
Oh, I am very useless.
It smells like a man's urine. So you urinated. Shift to Otolege. You go Otole. You make sure you shifted that your useless bum and then this useless thing is on my cloth so that you will now say that it is me. Me? How?
Okay, Sema. Okay, Sema. Hey. Something you just did, something you did, and you're trying to play different.
How did I even end up with you? How did I end up with you? So you urinate on the bed. You should be ashamed of yourself.
No, you should be ashamed of your own self.
I'm okay now.
Yeah, go on, Nagba. Look at me, don't you? Don't say that I found it. I will tell you.
Yeah, you
don't say one is good to the
you going to?
Don't say domestic violence. Don't say one is. Are we in the romance mood? What's going on here? I don't know what happened. What's going on?
Okay.
You now know good. Can you say me? Sorry.
Just Nigudi.
Who urinate on?
I don't know because I know you do not urinate on.
I also know you don't urinate on the bed too. What's going on here?
Hey.
Were we fighting?
I'm not coming.
Why are we fighting?
I don't know. We're shift to go to. We need to go first. We need to go.
What's going on here? How can you see me? Where's your...
What is this? Hey. What is this? What is this? Why is everywhere dirty? Imunule, Iloule, place scattered everywhere. Why is the whole compound dirty?
Why is there no food? Huh? It is bad enough that we eat same meal and now we don't have food to eat.
Huh? Tell me. Did you just ask me that useless question? Are you seriously waiting for food? The whole compound is dirty. Inside is smelling. Outside is dirty. The place that they used to eat, the dishes are here unwashed. And you are seriously waiting for food.
Don't you have hands? Huh? Since the whole compound is messed up, clean it yourself.
No. No. Are you seriously talking to your mother like that? No, I'm asking you, are you talking to your mother like that?
Uju, leave me alone. I want to go and rest.
Orumuju. Orumuju. No.
Uju, leave me.
Maid. As if you were there when I was giving...
Uju, leave me now! Leave me!
Oh, would you leave you? Would you leave you?
Leave me, look!
I'm here. No, come on! I brought you to this world and I can take you back.
Leave me!
You are the bad luck! You are the bad luck I have in this house. It is because of you that things are not going for me. But you don't have sense. You don't have sense. I'm all here. You see the day you fall inside my stomach, I caused that day. Because that is the day my problems are here.
What was the plan? Kill me or send me back to sleep? Mother, how could you betray my trust? I cared so much about you. Everything I do it for your own good.
I did what I thought was the best for you. I did what I thought was good for you. I did not mean to upset you.
Upset me? Did you people even ask me what will help? No! You all assume you know it all, just like in the past. But you see today, I will punish you all for taking me to that polluted shrine.
What is going on?
What happened?
Are you fine?
You're fine. Nightmare again.
Her body is burning hot. I guess it's fever.
This always happens whenever she wakes up from a nightmare.
I saw her. The girl in my dreams. Flogging the both of you. She's so mean and evil.
Because you are not feeling so well, okay? But we need to give you something to cool your rising temperature, okay?
Baby, I think we really need to do something about this. It's getting too much. Huh? She looks so scared. Huh? Please, baby.
Well, we'll have to think of a permanent fix. We need to fix her health first, then we'll think of how we can fix her mind.
Baby, it's okay. Mommy's here. Somebody's here.
Enjoy, will be fine, okay?
Okay?
Honestly, when I heard it, I wanted to be angry. But at some point, I'm like, what is it, sir? What is this?
I didn't believe it. But...
Mother, is this how you parade yourself shamelessly with a man that is not even your husband? And you, I thought I told you to stay off my mother. What are you still doing with her?
Yeah. Inayala, are you mad? No, you must be mad. Because I don't understand what is giving you that boldness. To come here and embarrass me and my fiancé like this.
Did I hear you say fiancé? Eh? No wonder you don't care about me anymore. This good for nothing man will only break your heart when things get tough.
Shut up your mouth! Huh? You little brat. You little child. You don't have respect. You don't have manners for your elders, eh? Oh, because I sat here and I was just watching you talk to your mom anyhow. Eh? Now listen. One person does not train a child. It takes two or a community to train a child. And I'll show you how it's done.
Chinaza, what are you doing? Naza? Naza, what did you do? Naza? Calm down now. Please, calm down.
Mom, you can't talk.
Ujungwa, the Lord has taken away my son's voice. Please help me to beg her. Please, I will do whatever she wants me to do, please. Please, I'm at her mercy, please. Oh?
And who said I want anything from you?
Can you give him back his voice? What are you doing with a man's voice? Eh? Why did you even do it?
No peace for the wicked. And wickedness must be punished with wickedness.
Really?
If only you'd have done what I asked for, you wouldn't be in this situation.
Hey. Please restore his voice, please. Please, oh, please restore his voice, please. Please.
It seems you're ready to get your voice.
Yes. It's ready. It's ready. Please.
But you must get it back on only one condition.
Which is?
You stay away from my mother.
Yes. Yes, he will do that.
If you see her, you will run away from her.
Yes, he will do that.
What's happening to you? Ogini. What's happening? Hey!
Mama!
He called my name.
My voice is back!
He can talk.
My voice is back!
Hey! He can. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't call my son again, oh!
That is what you are. Evil child. Devils incarnate. A slave. You don't want your mother to enjoy, where? Eh? That is how wicked you are. You don't want your mother's happiness. It is me and you. You say that you're evil. Don't worry. One day, if you push me too hard, I will return that your evil back to you.
No. You would have stayed.
I'm fine now. It's not like I can stop the things I see when I go to bed.
Like same girl, the one around your age?
Yes, Dad. She's evil. She means danger and wants to harm the both of you. I fear for her intentions.
Make it make sense. What can a teenage girl do to me and your dad? I think it's just your fears manifesting into nightmares. It is. Nobody can hurt us. Trust me.
My darling, your mother is right. You don't have to be scared or worried about anything. The only thing I want you to do now is for you to get better. That's the most important thing to us.
Okay, Dad.
Oh, we're fine. Nothing's gonna happen. Trust me.
You promise?
Please go get me some juice. Do you want some?
I'm good.
Thank you, my love.
She's so worried, but everything is going to be alright. I guess it's our age.
Nightmares becoming worrisome and too much.
Don't worry about it.
Is it not better that I don't have a child than to have one that is hell-bent on making me feel miserable and pain? What kind of a child is this? What kind of a child is this? Kedu de nwa de ha? Hey.
Are you having double-minded not to kill yourself? It's better you just kill yourself. Okay? Assuming you listened to me. Assuming you stayed away from him. All this wouldn't have happened. And since you want to kill yourself, make sure the knife is very sharp, okay?
Nasa.
Do you need help in stabbing yourself? Because I can help you.
You said if I had stayed away from him. Is it only him? No, Nasa, answer me.
You know what? Before I got married to you, other ladies was running after me. I said, I'm not going to look at anyone. But you are so precious. Oh, Mama can hear.
You can say that again.
You know why I love you? You're one of the special women I've ever seen in my childhood.
You can say that again. I cannot believe this. How come you both are happy? Whereby I'm living a miserable life. No one is supposed to be happy in this village. Happiness is luxury here. And I will not let you people be happy.
Are you mad? You don't have respect for others. You walked in here and you are blabbing.
Let's go.
Go where? In Ayala.
This life, in this life.
Asalugo.
Born to a boss. She's born to a boss. Whoa, yeah. I will fight to finish life after life.
Ogini Munka. Eh? When did this? Come.
Leave me. What is I'm busy?
Are you okay? What is going on here? My wife fixing your daughter's nail as what? Is this your doing?
Does it look like I have a hand in this? Eh? Nekwamo, it is all my daughter's doing. Biko.
It is all your daughter's doing. And you're sitting down, watching, without doing anything. I just got married, and your daughter is trying to destroy my marriage. And you're not doing anything. You're just watching. As what? As what would you? So your daughter has sworn to be destroying marriages as Genikwa. You that gave birth to her, you don't even have any power to stop her from doing all those things. I am sure she's the reason why my wife has been acting out of character. Can you please tell your beloved daughter to release my dear wife before I lose it?
Nna, what do you want me to do? Otu I'm not now. As I see me now, I'm looking for who to complain to as well. You see this, my daughter? She has tormented all the men that I love. And she has made sure that I am single and miserable. When you come back, well, in this my situation now, what do you want me to do? Huh?
Your daughter cannot be allowed to do as she wants. Your daughter is evil. And she must be stopped. Do you understand? Because I can't get married to someone paid her bride price in full. And your daughter is using my wife as a slave. For what reason?
Nna, be fast about it. You see that solution? Please. Anywhere you find solution, I am beside you. In fact, I am in support. Oh? So that maybe when they rescue you, they will finally rescue me, because me too, I need rescuing. I don't understand the child I gave birth to. Oh? Take this as a cry for help. So all this time they are wasting here, talking up and down. Worry up your brain so that you can rescue both of us. I don't know football. We are on the same boat.
Okuya? So you want me to do what I like? Ngwangwa, be going. I'm not here for all this.
If you touch her, hey!
Is this the same daughter you gave birth to?
No, I don't understand what I
See,
did.
she have to release my wife from her evil clutches. You know, I'm talking. You are not doing anything. I'm going to do something that everyone is going to regret. So.
Look, leave me alone. I am very busy.
Wise one. As they said, that a frog do not run at noon in vain. I want you to come to my rescue. My wife has been bewitched by a little witch. And as I speak with you now, my wife has been acting as her slave. And the worst part of this is that my wife cannot recognize me as her husband anymore. Ah! Ah!
You are talking about a little girl, a teenager that was raised by her mom alone. And she goes around tormenting, troubling the people. Enough is enough. Yes.
Zemo, you are right. And she has done that to me. I thought all these things I heard was all rumors. Until my wife became one of her victims.
My son,
Zemo,
you're talking about a witch that has no powers. A little deity. But she has called to my response. And I'll respond with fire and brimstone. Enough is enough. I am the mouthpiece of the gods and the eyes of the gods. I am ready for... Yes, I am ready for war. Come. Yo! This is not happening. Norma! Norma!
She can't hear you. And I don't want you to disturb my time with my new friend.
Ah! How dare you? Tell me! How dare you? How dare you touch the wife of the great seer, the king of wizards? And what's giving you the infantry, the temerity, the gods, the mind to ask me such a stupid and silly question by bewitching my wife? Ah! Ah!
She's your wife. But she's mine now. And any other woman I see, they are under my control. And there is nothing you can do about it.
Never. You have stepped on the tail of a tiger. You don't know me. Yeah! Yo! I am Okinga, the son of Ogidigada. Akaso, yo! You have dead me. You have dead me. You have dead me. Ah! Da-da!
It's mine and there's nothing you can do about it.
You don't know me. I am Okinga, the son of Izewata. Release my wife. Release my wife. Ah! Ogidigada. Yo! Nakata. Oh! Yagaga! Yeah!
Everyone is saying that your daughter is possessed. She's practically the talk of the village. Some said she's more powerful than the Dibia.
Okay. Thank God you said it with your mouth. Dibia, Dibia that talks with both the spirits and the gods cannot stop her. Akwe, she's more powerful than him. Akwe, so what do you now want me to do? Me that she does not recognize as her mother. Me that she calls by my name.
Hey!
What do you want me to do? Eh?
You see, that's your daughter. She could be the problem, the reason why you're married. Yes, she's chasing men away from you. Yes! She's really punishing you, my friend. Eh?
The issue is that the entire village is against her. And they are taking it out on me.
How?
Only Hema Afube. What have I not seen? Do you know the other day, somebody refused to sell to me?
Why?
The person said I gave my daughter witchcraft. Hey! Or maybe I went somewhere evil to ask for a child. That is why I gave birth to that kind of a dog. So what do I do?
Chai.
Agwanum, what do I do?
What can you do, my friend? What can you do? You can't even know the child you gave birth. You didn't even know the child you gave birth. Imaro.
Please,
what do you want?
I will not kill myself. I have tried my best.
Chai.
Like I said, she does not recognize me as her mother. If you see where this girl is shouting my name,
Chimo,
calling me by my name, you will think she was there when they gave me that name. I forgot me here. So I don't know what else people want me to do. Me, I have tried my best.
Be careful, John. I'm sorry. Is it paining you? I'm sorry. Are you okay? Yeah, stop asking me questions. I'm sorry, my friend.
She's born to a boss. I will fight to finish.
Wait, so the food I cooked this morning before I left, you and your zombies have finished everything. Because I am very sure one person cannot finish that food. Are you mad? Eh?
Uju, you're shouting at me because of food that was not even delicious. Eh?
And you finished it. No, it was not delicious. But you finished everything.
Uju, can't I have my peace in this house again? Eh? And besides, I know that when you went to go and visit Agnes, that you guys gossiped about me. She fed you, Abi?
This is too much. Hey, Mba! Who did I offend in my past life that used this goat to punish me? I cannot take it anymore. Mba! Okoro! Adakadonye koroya. You see you. In fact, you will leave my house alone. Yes!
Wait,
I can't take it again.
You want to chase me out of this house? I thought you said you were my mother.
And I thought you said you are not my daughter. Which child calls her mother by her first name? Are you mad? In short, you know what will happen? Just get up, go inside. We'll pack and then we will go where you are supposed to be. Where I should have taken you long time ago. Just get up there and follow me.
Then I'll see who learned their lesson first.
My queen, are you leaving?
My love, we need to send her away for treatment. It's abnormal that she rambles and talks about things that we do not see. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Honey, what if our daughter is gifted and she sees things to come?
And what is it to come? The dangerous, careless teenage girl that wants to harm us. Make it make sense to me. But now listen to me. We are going to send Ngozinka away. Far away from her where she can calm her head and mind.
You can't send me away. I am the one who sees what is coming and I'm the one who is going to stop it.
Do you still think that our daughter is okay? She speaks of things that we cannot see. You know, medically anyone will assume that this is a psychotic breakdown. Honey, you need to take her for treatment before it gets worse.
Mom, you need to believe me. I am not mad. This evil girl is real and she's so angry that she wants to hurt the both of you. I'm the one who can stop her.
Please, you can't do this. That's too harsh. Please. Everybody in the village thinks you are a witch. I know you are gifted. Maybe strange, weird, yes, but definitely not a witch. Right?
What do you,
Just be plain to me.
what do you think? Tell me what you think, Mother.
I don't want to believe any other person except my own daughter. That is why I want you to prove to me that you are not who they say that you are. Yes, I know you might have supernatural abilities. That is what I believe. Supernatural abilities, but not witchcraft. Illegal.
The elephant does not limp while walking around goats. What a fruit is made by a tree.
You don't even talk like a child. You talk like someone old, ancient. What are you trying to tell me?
Don't allow me to prove myself.
Hey. Ochimo. Chukuka.
What are we doing here? And where is this place?
This is where you'll be staying from now on. Your father's house. That's where you are going to be staying.
You disappoint me. You never cared to fight for me in the past. Now you want to discard me.
Which past? No, which past? Now I can worry. I will not kill myself for you. Do you hear me? I will not kill myself for you at all. All I have done is to make sure that you are good. But now, I am being punished for it. So don't stay there and start forming the victim when you are because of all this.
You roll when it's hard. You don't care about anyone else. Only yourself. That's why I punished you. But it seems you haven't learned your lesson.
You are very stupid. Chero, teach who? That's if I slap you, even that spirit inside of you will obey and adjust. Enokwa, Ngoma, teach who? Mama. I am your mother or you evil witch. I am your mother.
My mother. If not, you wouldn't want to drop me here. Let me tell you something. I'll make your life a continuous hell. At any chance I get, I will choke you.
Don't worry. You will not have too much time for me after seeing the people inside here. You will not have too much time for me. I'm introducing you to other family members. So, where I am on the queue of the people you will choke is far. You choke with your stepmother, not me. Okay, but I need more now.
Madam.
Okoweron. No, I don't understand. Why are you opening your mouth? Why are you looking as if you have forgotten that you have a daughter? A child that is grown. A teenager. Ichefugo. You have forgotten.
Would you please go back with her? I'll come and see you later on. Whatever you need, do not hesitate to let me know. More money? Anything at all.
Abego. I don't need money. I brought your daughter so that you can bond with her. I brought your daughter so that she can experience what it feels like to live and have the love of her father, just the way your other daughter is enjoying. That is why I brought her here. In Anuya.
Honey, I don't understand. I thought you told me you've taken care of this and there won't be a problem. So, what's going on here?
He told you and you believed it. Men and lies. Then the one standing near you there is a born liar. Linus Mbajioko. That is what he is. Everything about him is lies. If he says good morning, just know that it is afternoon. Anyway, you that is talking, how can everything be complete? How can everything be aligned when she does not know what it feels to be with her father? When she does not have the love of her father? That is why I brought her here, so that she can enjoy. But if you like, you can chase her out yourself. But just know that she does not have a place in my house anymore.
It's you. You are finally here.
Who are you? And what do you want from me?
I am the one who is going to stop you. If you don't stop yourself.
And what powers do you think you have to stop me?
Only time will tell. If I am capable, I am sure we are bound to oppose each other.
If you know that power that you used to torment me in the village, use it now.
The king has heard about the atrocities of this little girl going about bewitching people. And the kings want us to ask, why have you not acted upon it?
I am preparing to. Yes. She's hiding under something evil. And something sinister is in her. Yes.
Wise one.
Yes.
You are reputable to be the most scary wizard.
Exactly.
And I'm sure a little witch is no match for you. People have come to the palace lamenting tales of woes unleashed by these menace. Our young women and wives are taken by her as captives. And if nothing is done to stop this, we the men and elders will soon start to wash our feet without our senses.
That can never be our portion. It can never. And you think good thoughts and allow your mouth to speak of good things only. Mazi.
Nietzsche, so you are here. How do you expect him to defeat the witch and liberate our wives when his own wife is being held captive?
Not it.
He can't do anything about this whole issue. Remember the last time we came here? We repeated the same thing. But he failed woefully to subdue the witch and liberate our wives. Can a blind man lead another blind man?
Ezedibia.
Yes.
Is it true that your wife is also bewitched by her? So what is our hope? No, we must hurry to tell the king that the person we put our trust on is equally a victim and powerless to rescue us and cannot even save his wife.
Do not talk down at me like that. Never! Watch it. Mind your utterances. I am the mouthpiece of the gods. The eyes of the gods. Do not underestimate her powers. I am preparing my weapons to confront her at the next battle. Tell the king that I, the mouthpiece of the gods, the eyes of the gods, will match her toe to toe, feet to feet. I am ready. Enough is enough. Tell the king I am ready. Yes.
Liberate your wife first. What a shame. I said liberate your wife first. King of wizards, my feet.
Watch your utterances. Watch your utterances. You white fowl. Watch it! If not, you will not like me. Ogirigara! Yo!
I will fight to finish. Life after life. If you believe it, you could know this is fight. That is always payback time. To everything we do, it doesn't matter how long it takes. There is always payback time. Born to oppose, born to oppose. Nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. In this life.
You are not allowed to take that. Besides, you are underage. And this is daddy's alcoholic wine. It is not meant for children.
Underage? Wait though. Do you look at me the way you look at yourself? This might be daddy's wine or whatever you call it. I can't take it and there's nothing you can do about it.
I said you can't take that. I'll report it to my mom when she returns and you will be punished.
Oh, I'm so scared. Your mom is going to whoop me so bad. Isn't that all she can do? Huh? Wait, do you think I'm scared of you? Your mom or your dad? You live in this mansion. You eat good food. You drink good juice. Whereby me, I suffer in the slum. Eat same meal every day. Just because of this one wine, you want to stop me. Yeah, respect yourself.
And I said you can't take that. This is an alcoholic wine.
And you're not in the right position to tell me what to do. Stay away from Ngozi. Stay away.
You have to return it now.
Lady, oh my! We need more. Mama. Oh, beautiful queen. Hail the queen. Hail the queen of ladies. Oh, can't wait. Yeah. Pop champagne. And a pop champagne. Yeah. Let us cheers. Oh, cheers. Long life. Cheers for the queen. Long life. Yeah. Wow. Oh, we love you.
What is going on here? What are they celebrating? What are you celebrating?
I love you. What are you doing?
Separate now.
Yeah, fight very well. Fight very well. We love our queen.
Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad!
What's going on? Why are you screaming? What happened?
Nightmare? A teenage girl?
No. This time it was someone I could not recognize.
Who does she say she is?
She introduced herself as a spirit that refused to rest. A spirit that watches everyone to ensure justice is given.
Ngozi, every day is one event or the other. From one nightmare to another. You hardly even sleep. You even interrupt our sleeps too. I am concerned about you, Ngozi. You need help.
No, you have to believe me. Nothing is wrong with me. She told me her story. Those she trusted accused her and made mockery of her. And they punished her for what she did not do wrong.
I think this is a figment of your imagination. These people that you see, are they even real? Honey, I need to return back to bed. I had a long day and my body craves for sleep.
It's okay. Let's go. I'll take care of her.
Okay. It's fine. Take your time.
Night.
Take care.
Oh. Ngozi, I hope this thing will see. I'm not turning into something else. Huh? Alright, like I don't want to stay with you.
Witch. So you have the guts to come out after all you did. You turned my wife into a misery, a pleasure to those young boys, a woman I got married to and I paid her bride price in food. I'm going to end you now.
So don't try anything stupid. Is it about your wife? Your wife is living a good pleasure that you denied her of.
So, you are in the best position to tell me how to handle my wife. I am going to end your life today and now. And those villagers are going through all those miseries. I can walk you today.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Oh Lord, Abba Father. Karika sikama baba sikabowa. He that kama sikari mama. He that dwell in the sacred most of the Most High God shall abide under the shadow of God Almighty. He can sikamilabaka. Nadi kisikupopo sikanana.
Hiramasike bobo. Nakamazakara baba yabase. In the mighty name of Jesus. In the mighty name of Jesus.
I know that it is the evil inside of you that is the evil spirit inside of you is resisting the glory of God. This evil spirit inside of you is trying to make me not to seek help for my own daughter. Get thee behind me, Satan. You see today is deliverance hour. So you better open yourself up for solution. Get thee behind me.
In the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
What an aura of thick forest. Madam, how can such spirits possess this girl? Hey, there are many forces that occupy and join together to possess this your girl. But don't worry, I will deliver her.
Please do. This girl has tormented my life since I gave birth to her. No marriage, no love. Any man that comes my way, she will torment the man. Do you know she also afflicts them?
Eh?
Ha ha!
Did I hear you say she afflicts them?
Yes!
Pastor, why are you scared? Are you scared of me?
I can't be scared of you. Why should I be scared? I'm not scared. Yeah, I'm not scared.
Pastor, then I do ask.
No. Sorry, I will confess. I'll confess, please.
Yes,
I will confess.
Jesus.
Madam, I got my power from native doctor. That is why I normally heal people. And whoever I heal, the sickness will still come back.
Ozugo,
Chinaza is not at home.
That's why you were sneaking in. Are you that scared of her? What do you think she can do to you?
Here. Uju, I am sure you have found answer to that question. Seriously, I do not want to be her enemy. I do not want to make her my enemy at all.
She has gone out. I'm very sure she's out there tormenting another person's life. You can't go. Hi! You should have seen what happened. You should have seen what that girl did to that loud pastor. The man started confessing his secret sins. Ha! I pity him. I will not lie to you.
Uju, have you seen it? Everyone is right about your daughter. If something is not done, you will pay for her atrocities.
Do you people think I'm not trying? Hey. Do you think I am just sitting down and not doing anything? I don't understand. Anacheru,
Is there nowhere I can get a firebrand, authentic prayer warrior that can beat that evil spirit out of her? Eh?
I need your wife. Wait. There is someone she's called White Spiritual Warrior. She's very powerful. And she can bring down the power. In fact, she can cage the spirit. She's very effective, active. Believe me.
I need that person. Because I will not stop. I will not stop until I get my daughter back. You see that my daughter, the one that I carried in my womb, I want her back. Not this one that is living with me. Because this one that is living with me, Chinaza go.
Hey!
Ekwensu na azazia. So, this one now, tell me, is the person tried, tested? You know, because I need...
Do not worry yourself. Do not worry yourself. If you're not yagi, it will quarrel. Just be coming down.
Why did you bring her here? This girl has been a thorn in my flesh. She has tormented my life. Nothing good has ever come out of her. Everywhere she goes, destruction follows her. In fact, since I gave birth to her, I have not had a moment of peace. That is why I brought her here. Please, help me. Just help me.
Do you think this place can fix you?
Jehovah Emmanuel. Did you kill her? Is she dead? Did you kill her?
She's not dead. But the spirit inside of her is not ordinary. And it will not reveal itself when she's awake. So I have to make her sleep.
What do you mean?
Obiam Nalu. Speak to me. The spirit has been inside of her for too long. Knowing how to hide and how to speak and just how to deceive. But today, it will not find a place to hide or run to. Because I will liberate her. Jehovah Emmanuel. Holy. Holy. Holy, holy, holy. Holy.
Febisi. Listen, I know it is the evil spirit living inside of you that is resisting the fire coming out of this water. You must be fixed today whether you like it or not.
How useless can you be? Untie me, else I will punish you.
Shut up, you demon!
No, Ogene.
Shut up!
Do not listen to her. It is evil spirit that is talking. She must be fixed before we leave here.
Yes. Beat her with water, I don't mind. But she must be fixed today. I will defeat you. You must get it.
Continue.
What happened? What kind of a human being are you? And I will give you the game in the course. Hey! I don't know. Come, let us leave this place at once before somebody walks in here and sees what you have done. It is bad enough that the whole village thinks we are evil, but it is going to be so bad of us to give them evidence. Uma! Let's go! Kaipo! Susa!
My gorgeous queen, the prettiest of them all, the envy of all the women in this world. You look bothered. What's bothering you? Speak to me.
I know you're trying to make him seem like Ngozi needs psychological attention. But what if it's spiritual attention she actually needs?
Come on, baby. Are you worried about the wet things she talks about? Come on, Ebele. Who could hurt us? Or the wet story she was told in her sleep?
See, I'm just trying to say, let's seek help from other options. Not just the medical and psychological. We may not get results if we're seeking it from the wrong places. You know that.
My love, I can understand that you're worried, but I want you to know that she is going to outgrow all those things, whatever thing she is feeling. Just it's a matter of time.
I don't know. I don't even know what to think anymore. I don't know. God, please protect my daughter for me, please. God, please protect Ngozi because everything seems to be scary.
It could be some strange spirit seeking for help somewhere. Maybe the wrong place. Don't be too worried about this.
Okay.
Come here. That's my beautiful wife.
You see you, I gave birth to you, but today I have realized that you are a bad witch. I might not be a witch, but I am badder than you. Mama, I am very bad. I'm very sure you have not heard about my story in this village. I am the only woman that had the guts to walk into a shrine and steal all the sacrifices inside there. In Anuya. So, this one you are doing is my case. Don't worry, Waggle. You.
What's your plan? This one you chain me like this because I know you surely have a plan.
I will not tell you anything, witch. I will not tell you. But when the time comes, you will know what I plan for you.
Come on, unchain me now. Uju!
Uju, you say that Uju? May that Uju twist your mouth for you.
Is that what you want to use to stop me? Uju, I will punish you! I will punish you!
They told me that once you see this Holy Ghost Koboko, that you be scared, that you start shouting like a goat. Omena. Eh? Omena. Omega! Jesus!
I warned you, Abby.
Jesus!
I told you that I would flog you. You think I'm pretty?
Hey! Jesus! Jesus! I don't want!
How can a mother give birth to something that wants to kill her? Aye! Sorry. How can a child torment her mother like this? How?
Uju, my friend,
This is the reason why I am afraid of that evil girl. If she would have the mind to do this to her own mother, who will she not hurt? Eh?
What will I do? Mbagwano, what will I do? She seems to be bigger than any solution that I think of. That girl is the most evil creature I've ever seen. And to think that she's my daughter. To think that I gave birth to her. How did this happen?
I'm still... I do not understand anything at this point.
I understand your pains. Please, listen to me. This is not the time to cry. It's not. You need to find a way to push that witch out of your life before she kills you, my friend. Yes. This is getting too much.
You see, as a mother, I have tried. But I will not kill myself because I am
Never! Lie. Mommy.
At this point, I need to protect myself.
Exactly.
I need to think about my own safety because... Jesus.
You need to fight for your life. Very, very important. Before it's too late. Sorry. Nothing will happen to you.
Let's go. No, it's enough. Oh.
What are you doing here? No, what are you looking for here? We are not friends. So you cannot come to my house without first informing me.
Yes, you're right. Have you not heard how children suffer in their stepmother's house? Are you not worried about the pains I'm going to inflict on her? Are you dare to keep your child under my care?
On the contrary, I am actually worried about the pain she's going to inflict on you. Yes! I'm very sure you must have heard the gist. My child is no ordinary child. If I show you my body, if I open my body, you will see all the marks on it. Do you know how I got them? My daughter gave them to me.
Your daughter did that to you?
Exactly. When I try to perform a deliverance session on her that involves pain. So, if them born you well, if you don't value your life, try it. Inflict pain on her. Then, trust me, you will start going round the whole place looking for solution. Now you sabi.
Please, thank you. Who exactly is she, sir? Anyways, I don't even care. Just come and take your daughter out of my house. Come and carry her, please.
She is where she belongs. Her father's house. If you know what is good for you, keep your hands to yourself. Respect yourself. If you do that, maybe you will find peace. If you don't, trust me, you will go around this whole place looking for solution. The choice is yours.
Then maybe you should prepare. Because I will do anything to make sure I kick her out of my house, out of my life. If it means me going extreme, I will do that. But do not let me do something both of us will regret. Come and take your daughter out of my house. Please.
She is where she belongs.
I have told you.
Her father's house.
I have told you. Come and take her.
Then try any nonsense. Try it. Just come and take her. Maya, you get back up. You get timpuno konu. Try it. At least I'm going to go on that side.
Ah!
All hail the queen! All hail the queen! All hail the queen!
What is going on here? What are all these filthy women doing in my house? Wearing my clothes, and you? Make everything go down that place! What is all this nonsense? No. Get out! What is all this? Can you imagine? In my own house, Nazar?
Why is this so difficult for you all to align with me?
Are you okay? I'll take down this one. I'm not with you. I think I'll walk this one.
Baby, can you just stop? Why are you so worked up?
You know how I hated being laughing stock in the village. You were trying to make me one with your actions.
My love is not my doing. What I had to do was just a one-night stand. Under the influence of drugs. Someone drugged me. I did not form that child intentional.
Intentional or not, that did not erase the mess. You told me that Uju has been taken care of. That she will not have any reason to come back to you asking anything relating to the child. Then how come? How come she's here demanding fatherly love for her child? Tell me, explain to me, HK. When will you stop this your cook and book story about women? When?
Listen, my love, I guess she wants something bigger. And she wanted to use Chinaza to influence me and blackmail me into doing it and giving it to her. Listen, I'm going to fix it. Please.
You need to get her out of this house. She needs to leave and never to return. That girl is making my life a living hell. I don't want to see, you're not the old image of picture perfect couple that we have. I wouldn't want that wealth girl come ruining that for me. Please, let her leave. How can a little girl be walking about with such older women like she owns them? Please, I am tired. Did you see what she did today in my house? I am tired. Get her out, please.
My love. I'll do whatever it takes to keep the promise that I made to you. Keeping Chinaza out. I just need you to be patient with me. I just need you to be understanding while I do what is best for us. Please, my love. Patience.
You better do.
Do you care? If you do, you wouldn't have dropped her off like that in the first place, would I probably notice? It's ruining the peace in my home.
Yeah, Nenunka. Ejike, how long do you think you'll be able to fool your wife into thinking that she will never deal with your own daughter? I want to understand. Chinaza is your flesh and blood. She needs a comfortable life. And she needs her father's love. Me, as her mother, I am barely keeping up with her expectations. So let her come with to your house and enjoy. I
see. But the question here is, why now? It took you 13 good years to decide that she needs her father. Is that something that you're not telling me?
We're talking about your daughter here, not a stranger. She is where she needs to be. You see that your house? That is where she needs to be. Or do you want to reject your own flesh and blood?
After all these years, are you not rejecting her? Listen, maybe you might need some money, so I came prepared. So I'm going to offer you the sum of 1 million naira, and I have it here with me cash, to please take Chinaza back.
Hey. Even if you give me the whole money inside Central Bank, I will not bring her here. It is your turn to bond with her so that you will know what the forbidden night we spent together produced. Stay with her and see if you like what we produced together.
I strongly believe there is something you're hiding or scared of. And it must be connected with the flocks of women that she moves around with, or the rumors that surround it. Why are you running away from your own daughter? Why are you rejecting her?
That is why you should stay with her. All these questions that you have in your head and in your mouth, stay with her so that you will enjoy the medicine that she's sharing. Yes, stay with her. Bond with your daughter. Haba, at least you will know whether what you shot inside of me that night, what it produced, and whether you like what we produced. It is, I don't understand. Go and bond with your daughter. You borrow 1 million, what is 1 million? Let's even say that I wanted to take money. God knows that even Central Bank, I will not take. But let's assume that I want to take money. Oborata 1 million now. What is 1 million? After 13 years. What this 1 million now, is it the money I spent giving her food for 13 years? Or is it the money I used to take her to the hospital for 13 years? Or is it, I don't know. My friend, go and bond with your daughter. That is what fathers do. They bond with their daughter. Go and enjoy what we produce together. Oh, nah. You will like it. You gotta like, yeah. Everybody must collect. Everybody must collect. Go and enjoy what you produced. Yes. It's not about a short. Or a short. Go and enjoy it.
I'm sorry for everything that I've done. I couldn't take accountability for. I was weak. Please do not punish me. Now I know better. Please. Please.
Believe how powerful Ngozi has become. Anyway, what do I expect? I am at war with a deity. The same goddess Ejike's great-grandparents served, who watches over them, created Ngozi to go against me.
Is that why I was created? A tool for your justice. I see myself as you in my dream. A painful and hurtful death.
Everyone deserves a vessel. Just as the goddess created Ngozi to oppose me, I created you as my own vessel to carry out my revenge. Tell me, Nanza, with all the pain and suffering that you have witnessed with your own eyes, do you think they deserve forgiveness?
Let my family go. You have tormented us enough. Killing them would give you peace of mind. It will condemn you, and you will turn into an evil spirit. you won't be able to cross over the white gate.
Even you, who share the same memory as me, same ride and vision, you abandon me today and you take their side. No one ever stays with me to the very end. I am considered evil. I will end it all today. I will go and die as you were killed. And then I will take you to the afterlife with me. That will be your punishment for choosing to side with them.
It is time for their death.
What are they here they sleep for? Even I said last time we sleep for some money.
Abdul, what am I doing here?
Honey, are you okay? Because this is unlike you. How did you manage to sleep outside? How come?
If I tell you that I did not know that I slept outside, that this whole thing feels like a bad dream to me, will you believe me?
Wait, why are you all looking at me? Am I supposed to be the one you guys should be looking at? Dad slept outside. Is it not beginning of madness?
So what is funny that you...
Because it's funny.
Ah, you're back. What is this? I don't want you with a banana for. I said, what is this? So, soup that I cooked with my own money. That is the soup you just wasted now. That is the soup you wasted like this.
You're supposed to be thanking me for throwing away this terrible soup. And I can see, since you chased me out of your life, nothing has changed. No good things have even come into your life.
Ezioku, I chased you away. And you refused to stay chased away. You have refused to go away. I took you to your father's house so that I can rest. I took you to your father's house so that I can have peace. But you have refused. What have I done to deserve this? Why have you refused to leave me alone? Happen on my car.
See, let me tell you something. Yeah? I'm not going anywhere. See, Uju, you cannot chase me away. And I cannot be fixed.
So, you decided to visit just to provoke me. Because in your small mind, you think you have grown wings. You think you can come and go as you please, okay? You think you have madness? I might not be a witch like you. But if for madness, you see madness, I have it in quantum. You think you are watching like a poor here?
Nazar, how dare you use my things to clean the ground?
Huh?
I said, why would you have to use my expensive clothes to clean the ground?
I didn't see any other rag, and this can fit like a
No,
rag.
It's not because you didn't see any other. It's because you want to punish me because I asked you to mop the ground. And all you have to do is use my expensive clothes that you and your mom can never afford in your miserable lives.
Are you aware this is my father's house? Eh? And he sponsors every expensive things in your life. So why are you now maltreating me?
Because you're useless. You are a born mistake. Even your father knows that you were a born mistake. He didn't plan for it. Your mom and yourself are born mistakes in his life.
I can see your bad character is still in you. You have not changed from the past, Abby.
How dare you talk to me that manner?
Don't worry.
Do you think I'm scared of who they say you are? I am not scared.
Everything okay, Mom?
Yes, everything is fine. I wanted to ask you, since Chinaza came to this house, your nightmare seems to have stopped. Do you know why?
Well, yes, because the nightmare now lives with us.
Ngozi, are you saying Chinaza is the reason for your nightmares?
She's the teenage girl I continue to see in my sleep. The danger that vowed to destroy you all.
You are not imagining things, are you?
You need to believe me. She's evil and she's not ordinary. I need to find a way to stop her before she destroys everyone.
I am beginning to believe you. She looks so weird. I get a strange energy from her. She reminds me of someone from the past. An angry version of that person. Ngozi, please come. Ngozi, please. Since you know this about her, stay away from her.
I'm not scared of her, Mom. I know her and understand who she is. If anyone can stop her, it has to be me.
Ngozi,
Okay. Alright, just let me know what you guys conclude. Alright, I'll be expecting your call anytime, so... Okay. I'll call you back. Yeah. It's fine. My angel, how are you feeling? You want something?
Don't act as if you care. You're living a peaceful and comfortable life with your family. Do you really like me? Why do you hate me so much?
Marito Angel, don't say that. I don't hate you. As a matter of fact, it's not as easy as you say it. Being adult and being able to make decisions that will bring things to the home is rough.
So you had to discard me for peace. Am I that easy to throw away? Am I not worth fighting for? You did it in the past and you're repeating it again.
Chinaza, what past are you talking about? You're just a teenager. A little girl whose life barely began. So what are you saying?
If I tell you the truth, you won't believe it. It's better to see you all suffer.
Hello? Can you hear me? I wanted to give away that Mercedes Benz. And also the land close to the palace. Give it to Pa Ejiofor. Yes. Can you just stop this and listen to me? Do exactly what I said. Yes, I know how important that land is, but I wanted to give it away. You have my permission to do what I asked you for. Please. Okay, it's fine.
Is something bothering you, my child?
Oh, yes, mother. A woman on a crown has been appearing to me lately. She said I must meet one great Madeza. Do you know who she is?
No, I don't think somebody with such a name exists. But I would find out for you. But what is it about?
Well, she said this person will help me figure out my purpose and help me prepare for the battles to come.
You speak strangely, my child. And I don't think I understand you. But I would try and verify the identity and the existence of this great Madiza for you. You're welcome, my child. So, you smile for me now?
Yes.
You be good? Right?
Yes.
What were you thinking? Making such a decision without telling me?
Hello, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about you giving up your bed and our most treasured land to Mr. Ejiofor.
You said what? I did. How? Honey, I don't recall taking this decision. Who said I did this?
Are you trying to play ignorant? Because the lawyer told me that you called him yesterday and instructed him to give out our properties. So tell me, what is going on?
Honey, I swear, I do not remember making this call. Most of the things that I do or people say that I do, I have no memory of doing them. I don't know what is happening to me.
You want me to understand that you are sleepwalking? You giving out our properties and not remembering, that means there's a problem. There is a serious problem, honey. There is. Because how could you just wake up one morning and give out our properties and you can't even remember? I told you, when our daughter kept telling us about a nightmare, you don't believe her. This girl is evil. See, I'm just tired.
What is happening to me? What is going on? I'm gradually losing myself and everything that I've worked for.
Chinaza, there is something I want to tell you. If there is anything you see in this house, anything that belongs to me, you can let me know, I'll give it to you.
Are you trying to show off? Or are you trying to say that your life is better than mine? See, let me tell you. Your father is my father. Anything I want or anything I see in this house is mine.
And why including father's love? I don't see you fighting for that. There must be a reason.
And yes, you know the reason. I have come to tell you not to act brave just because a deity is whispering purpose to you. That doesn't mean you can inherit fights that doesn't belong to you.
You know about my dreams. You are truly not ordinary.
Remember that and know that you can't oppose me.
And what if my mission is to oppose you?
Then you better be fully equipped. Because if you do any mistake, Ngozi, I will end you. You're no match for me.
But I can feel your fears and your worry.
nothing and know nothing.
Tell me, what is bothering you? Do you feel sorry for the past? I mean, do you feel sorry about what has happened, been many years now? Do you feel guilty?
What are you talking about? Guilty about what exactly?
I mean the maid. What happened to her for the past years? The way you're giving out your property to the father. Looks like you want to make up.
I felt bad and guilty in the past, but I've moved past that now. I am telling you, I do not remember making that call. Why do you still doubt me?
This is the problem. You are acting out of character. And it's really bad. Yeah.
I remember having a conversation with Chinaza. It was an emotional discussion between father and daughter. The rest and what happened after that I do not remember. Just as I do not remember walking out of this house and sleeping outside.
This is, I don't know.
Nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. In this life, in this life.
I hope I know the job is finished. Can't see myself for a company.
You're too low class to join my coven of witches.
This girl is that rich. You don't even deny her. And I thought I would say you be bad rich. Ever since you don't enter this compound, Oga don't remove himself and everything don't go bad. Huh?
With your miserable salary. Do you have time for rich people's problems?
Yes, I don't work my Oga well. And she dey pay me well. As if be saying na for not we get better medicine when we say if I give you bam, this your evil witch and don't come out.
Not if I chase you out of this house first.
To everything we do, it doesn't matter how long it takes. There is always payback time. Born to a push. Born to a push.
What is this? Stop it! I don't get something in mind for you.
Are you okay?
Just allow me.
Please stop it! Are you mad? Is something wrong with you?
Nothing wrong. I just got this blood. Not be bad.
Stop! Get out! Are you mad? Get out! Chinasa, come here. What did you do to me? Chinasa!
Can you imagine? I can't believe that you're sleeping with my gate man.
That is a lie from the pit of hell. I have never desecrated our marital home, for God's sake.
Then explain to me what gave Abdul the boldness to chase after you like that. How do you like he has the right?
I am more confused. I don't know. He's out of character. Something must be wrong with him. I don't even know what.
Then explain what your panty is doing in Abdul's locket.
If you dare speak to me in that manner, I will eat you so hard, you little witch. What is wrong with you?
It dare not hit my child. You are an adulterous woman and you just cannot stand the truth.
Dad, this is Chinaza's fault. Abdul is under a spell by her, so there will be trouble in this house. You can't fall for this. You need to trust Mom.
Are you serious? You're taking your mother's side?
I'm highly disappointed. I can't believe this. I'm out of here. Don't beg me.
And you think you won? Don't touch you. I will deal with you. I promise.
Have you decided to take her back?
Take her back. I actually came here with a solution. I am very sure by now you must have noticed that our daughter is the devil's incarnate.
I think so too. Since she came, strange things have been happening to me. And not just me, but everyone in this house. It's been chaos.
At least you are now feeling what I felt all these years. Anyway, like I said, I have good news because I actually came here with a solution.
Whatever it takes, as long as my daughter becomes normal and ordinary. What solution are you talking about?
The demon trapper. He is going to trap whatever it is inside of our daughter and send it back to the pit of hell. But it's going to cost a lot of money.
How much do you need? And how soon can we get him doing what needs to be done?
You don't want to leave me alone.
How can I leave you alone? You are my daughter, and it is my duty to fix you.
Just as it's hard to leave you. Because when I leave, you make bad decisions. You have no ambitions. You are empty inside out.
Are you trying to provoke me? It will not work. Or my work. In fact, right now, I have a solution. Yes.
Let me give you an advice. A demon trapper is a money consumer with no gift. Take more money from Dad. Any opportunity you see, speak of any solution. Take the money, change your life, live a comfortable and happy life, and consider it as a gift from a problematic child whose father is willing to do anything to seek solution that will never come.
Jero, are you telling me to take advantage of your father, using you as an excuse?
Hi! You have, at least the brain is still working. Now you come. Because all these fake spiritualists will not do anything. It will not work.
Nice one, evil spirits. Nice one. Because I know it is you speaking from my daughter. Yes! You are scared, Abi? This one touched you, Abi? You are shaking. You don't want me to bring him. I will bring him. Yes, I will bring him to this house and he will kick you out of my daughter. Back to the pit where you came out from.
Foolish woman. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time talking to an empty vessel, whereby you will not even listen to me.
Hey! This is evil spirit does not have respect.
This evil spirit does not have respect at all. Therefore, you are wicked. Just look at the way you are making my daughter talk to me. A child that I breastfed. This is bad. Uju 0. Evil spirit 1.
Foul spirits. Primus, Sakabus, Scalawi. Primus, Sakabus, Scalawi. Primus, Scalapus, Scalawi. Foul spirits. Primus, Scalabus, Scalawi. Primus, Scalabus, Scalawi. Depart! Out! Out! Finally! Finally! There is no place to escape. Not under the radar of Odudumadi. That which is hidden will always be exposed. Do not underrate my powers.
What is going on here? Do you people bring a lizard collector or a spiritualist?
Oh, poor mortal. Do not speak ill of the powers of Odudumadi. For that which I see, you mere mortal can never see. The spirit takes different forms. Sometimes it hides in animals.
And you think lizard is the evil spirit? Abi, is this one of your tricks? Huh?
You have been defeated. You have been defeated.
I am sure this is all you're doing. Your petty trick to confuse us will not work. Stop all evil you're doing now, or you'll force me to hurt you.
See this one. Ngozi, don't try me. And don't start what you cannot finish. Don't force me to hate you.
Let me tell you, no be take your evil daughter out from this village. Yes. You witch, who bettered a witch? Leave with your daughter right now. Now. Yes. Leave. Leave! Witch! Evil witch, go back to your sender. 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 Evil witch, go back to your sender.
Women, you have done a great job.
Thank you.
You have done a great job.
Thank you.
But you will have to continue to frustrate her and her daughter until she leaves this village.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You have tried. Make sure that she leaves.
Okay.
That's the assignment.
No problem.
Yes. Anyways,
consider it done.
You see this song I said?
I saw it.
So when you all succeed, you get more.
Huh? Where's my own? More of this.
Don't worry, you all can share it. I think it's for all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much, great women.
No problem.
The great women of our community. I know I can rely on you all, and you will not disappoint me. And you will continue to enjoy. More money coming. Alright, carry on.
Evil witch,
go
back to your sender. Evil witch, go back to your sender. Evil witch, go back to your sender. Evil witch, go back to your sender. Oh, evil witch.
Go and pack your things. Pack your things. We are leaving this place. This place, the village, in fact, this whole state. Obruga and Iwana, we are living here before they kill us.
Do you care? I mean, do you really care about me?
Of course I care. You might be something I do not understand, but you are my daughter. And it is going to hurt me if something bad happens to you and I am unable to protect you.
See what they've done to you. You can't even protect yourself. How do you want to protect me?
Just follow me and you will see how a mother protects her child. Let us go.
I'm not going anywhere until that person pays for being mysterious.
What are you saying? No, what are you talking about? I do not understand.
So you don't know. Miss Ejike is the one behind all this. She paid those women to pressure you to leave this village by bullying you.
Ha! That evil woman that Ejike married. I knew it. From the very day I saw her. I knew she was up to no good. I knew nothing good would ever come out from her.
You've seen it. That's why I have to stay here. Make her pay, just like in the past.
Just because that is not home, it should not be the reason you should do as you like.
I always do as I like. And as for your mother, she has been a bad girl and it's time to punish her.
I will not let you touch her. What did you do to me?
Ngozi, you're too weak to oppose me. Watch me as I ruin your mother's reputation.
What is this? Stella, what did you do to me? What did you do to my tummy? Why is my tummy this big? Ah! My tummy. Ah!
is the meaning of this? I leave you for 2 weeks and you're with a child, and have you already?
African magic, right? Black magic. Your evil daughter here did this to me.
And you expect me to believe that Chinaza got you pregnant? Is that what you're saying? Make it make sense to me.
Daddy, help me and ask Sal. How can I get you pregnant? Am I a man? And do I have pee-pee under me?
You evil girl. It was your plan all along to make my husband here accuse me of cheating. What was your goal? Kick me out of the house? Bringing your miserable old hag mother? Is that your plan? Huh?
Oh, please don't try to change the subject. I know you find it very easy to pin everything on Chinasa, but we both know that she's not capable of your accusations. God just wants to expose your evil affairs. I know it's that stupid gate man that put in this bastard you're carrying.
You don't even trust me, your wife.
Dad, what is inside mother is evil and not a child. You need to believe her. This is Chinaza's handwork.
Okay then. Get ready tomorrow. We'll be going to the hospital for the scan. Pray that a child is not seen or this marriage is over. Picture perfect family.
You this evil girl. All your plans will not succeed. I would win over you. If the doctor said it's not a baby, then what is inside of me? What is this?
My love, this is really complicated. If I'm to be honest with you, then I must say that it's really strange. How are you pregnant and is not a baby? How evil can this be actually?
I told you, it's that girl Chinaza. She did this to me. What have we ever done to that girl for her to unleash this devil on us? What have we done?
I don't know exactly what it is, but she wants to express her anger that I abandoned her in the slum while I'm busy enjoying life with my family. She totally blamed me for abandoning her in the past.
The past? Why is she always talking about the past like she has lived a life and then she's not living a new life? I don't understand. Who is she really, baby? Who is that girl?
My love, the doctor said that medicine cannot fix you. So we need to explore any other means outside. I'm sorry that I doubted you. My love, I'm sorry.
The devil is playing prank on us. He is. But I'm not going to blame you. Because if I start blaming you, that means she won and you lost. And that's not true. All we need to do is stick together. Fight this battle together. Whatever it is that this girl is trying to cause in our family, she will not succeed. Please, can we stick together and fight this devil?
Together forever, my love.
I promise. You promise?
Where are you going? How dare you? How dare you call someone a witch when you sleep around? Sleeping with different men. We know that this thing you are carrying here is fathered by your gate man. You shameless and worthless woman.
This is just a lie from the pit of hell.
Hey.
The same witch that I paid you all to kick out from this village daughter is responsible for this.
Eh? What are you saying? How can you tell us that Chinaza, the little girl, got you pregnant? How? How?
That's now you are telling us that a little girl make you pregnant.
Hey!
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 Jump. Different man.
If I should tell you all that this thing is not a baby.
Eh? Gini?
Yes, but an evil implanted inside of me.
Hey!
To scorn me, ruin my reputation and my marriage.
Hey!
Wait.
Hey.
What you're saying does not make sense. Yes. You have always been mischievous, thinking you can use your money to control our actions, how we think and how we feel. If you don't leave this place this very moment, we will beat you to death.
Yes. We don't need your money. Move or fast. We will beat you to death.
But it's not a baby.
What is not a baby?
You cannot deceive us.
Yes.
That's the truth of the matter.
Leave.
Our eyes are opened.
We don't need your money.
Madam,
move.
Leave.
You want us to beat you?
Move.
Darkness and light is fighting, and everyone is afraid. You know, chichiri na no go. Everybody is afraid because
You know she's innocent. People will mock her thinking she's slept with other men.
And how is that my business? She deserves everything that is happening to her.
Undo her fake pregnancy, and I'll consider not destroying you.
As if you can. Your parents has done a lot of bad things in the past. You don't know what atrocity they have done.
And you think punishing them will undo it? No. They are humans and they are not perfect. I'm sure they are sorry for their actions and they are not proud of it.
They are never sorry. Someone suffered and died. They moved on. Lived a beautiful and perfect family. Your parents, they must confess and be sorry. Then I can consider if I should
And
stop.
I'll be here to stop you. Undo what you have done or prepare for war.
I've always been for one, Ngozi. I can see you're for peace when chaos is in you.
without reason, no matter how you try to cover it up, one day.
As we're saying,
we cannot have this conversation with Chinaza around us. She must not be joked with.
Ngozi, we found a great Medeza. They say she's the most purest and strongest spiritualist, that even demons tremble on her face.
So she does exist?
Yes.
These are the things I see in my dreams.
No. Sorry, we apologize for treating you like someone who is sick. We believe in you now. I practically believe in you. And I promise we'll be taking you to the great Medusa tomorrow.
Yes. You have always said that you are the one to fight, Chinasa. And if taking you to this woman will empower you to be able to fight these spirits, fight her, then you have our support as your parent. We will take you there. Right, honey?
We'll do whatever we can to make sure that you free us from this captivity and torment. It's too much.
I need to meet her as soon as possible. The day is when Chinaza's reign of terror will come to an end.
Okay.
I will take you to her tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. It's okay. Finally.
Yeah, I don't know what this is turning to now. Very expensive in this country. And that stupid Chibuzo boy, you thought to bring this, you refuse to bring. Eh? What are we going to sell now?
Don't mind them. If you don't buy for them, look at it, you are very wicked.
You again? What do you want?
Greetings, Queen of the Ladies.
Why would you bow down to this teenage girl? Have you lost your mind?
I mean, she's not a teenage girl. She's the Queen of the Ladies.
You are mad. Even what you are saying, does it make sense? What has she done to you? This small girl?
You stand there and watch your husband insult me. He refused to bow down to me and you're still standing there. Punish him for being disrespectful.
Yes, my queen.
So you have bewitched my wife, have you? What are you doing now? Stop! Will you stop? Stop now! Stop! Will you stop? Stop this! Stop!
Get me sweet. I want sweet.
Yes, my queen. Sweet.
Yes.
What is it? What happened to my child, Oginime?
Don't touch me. Oh, you are worried. You are worried for the most scary human being in this village. You're asking me, what happened to your mama, to your daughter?
You went in here looking scared and worried. So I should be asking you, is my daughter okay?
Hey. A lot has happened, Uju. Your daughter Chinaza, that witch girl, has been which woman she can lay her hand on. Eh? And now say more, Chinaza, is she okay?
Hey. I don't understand anymore.
Hey.
From tormenting me to tormenting her father. Now women in the village.
Hey.
What does she want to do to me? What is her game plan?
Hey.
What is all this? I'm tired though.
Hey.
Ma'am, I am tired.
Hey! I need to be very careful with that girl. Yes! I need to be very, very careful with her. Very, very careful with that girl. Before she will bewitch me. Yes! That's no witch in your village. You know what? Huh?
My fear is that she might end up provoking the villagers into reacting. And it will not be good for her. Okay. I fear for her life. I fear for her safety. This is not good for her at all.
You should fear for your own safety and the safety of other women in this village. Chinaza is not a victim. She's a culprit, an evil, tormenting the whole people in this village. Yes.
I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. God. What did I get myself into? What did I get myself into?
This is how you guys are going to treat your husband in the house. You will not let your husband control you. What did I say?
No, allow your husband to control you.
Yes. And also, you will be the queen when you get to the house.
Yes.
But when you're with me, I am the queen.
All hail the queen!
Our
beautiful queen! Naza, what is this? Is this your mission? To possess these women and then push their husbands away? What is this?
Don't tell me you have come to ask for their liberation. I thought your specialty is to run when it becomes tough. So what are you doing here?
Listen, in the midst of all this evil and madness, you are still my daughter. And I really care about you.
Don't care about me. Care only about yourself. Because I have my armies who are ready to fight for me anytime.
Yes.
What do you hope to achieve? I mean, what did they do to you?
No woman in this village will feel happiness, including my mother. Everyone shall face my wrath. Leave now, else you will be part of my armies. Go!
The most beautiful queen.
Agamagele, gele, gele, gele. Agamagele, gele, gele, gele. Agamagele, gele, gele, gele.
What a violent spirit. Restless and unable to find rest. Not even the thirst and satisfaction from chaos will be able to appease her soul.
Speak, great one. For the goddess asked me to meet you. Who is this and why is she tormenting everyone?
I recognized you even before you got here. The goddess appeared to me and told me about your mission here. And how to equip you with a weapon for you to succeed. Your grandparents were devoted worshippers. They obtained protection, favor from the goddess. And this is why she has taken this fight as her fight. I will equip you with a gift to battle spirits.
Are you saying that our daughter here is gifted and has great power to subdue the spirits?
Your daughter is truly gifted. She is born to oppose evildoers and to avenge those who did evil against her. I do not know what motivates this restless spirit and why she's doing this. You must look for a way to bring her to me so that I can see through her spirit and know what drives her.
Uju, I want you to please help me trap Chinaza. I know you might not be able to do it alone, but I believe that this cash will help you recruit helpers.
Small thing, fiam, you have brought out money. Why are you always offering money? That is what I want to know. Why are you always offering me money? Do you want to trap our daughter? Or do you want to kidnap her? Or even kill her? Because I don't understand. Every time I get a Ferrari, just tell me why you are always offering money.
I'm disappointed that you think that low of me. Why would I even want to help my own daughter? Does it even make any sense? I found a solution. A rich solution that will help us fix Chinaza. And I want you to please help me. Let's save our daughter. Please.
Just promise me that you will not hurt my daughter. Promise me that nothing will happen to her. Just promise me.
Why on earth will I want to hurt my own daughter? She's my blood. I wouldn't do a thing like that.
Please. That is reassuring enough. That is not a problem. She has some married women trapped and under her spell. I am sure the married men will be eager to help us so they can free their wives. I will ask for their help. Hi, but this is too much.
Everything will be fine. But in case you're doubting me, you can even follow me to that place and see things yourself. I have no intention of hurting our own daughter. Everything will be fine.
I just hope so, because this is too much.
It's fine.
This is too much. My daughter, thank God I saw you. I want to tell you something in private. Please, we need to talk in private. It is not everything that everybody needs to know. Come, let us talk. I will not take your time. Just take any minutes and you are gone.
Uzuko, you have done enough. Please, put an end to this. Even if you don't want to listen to anybody, listen to your mother.
I can see you all have united against me. I have become the common enemy. And you, Uju, I thought you stood by me. I thought you loved and cared for me. Not knowing I was just the stubborn bone in your neck you wanted to get rid of.
Who are you? And why are you releasing chaos?
Are you not the great Madazi? Find out yourself. Why are you asking me?
I can make you talk. But I was hoping you would like it the easy way. But no, I think you like it the hard way.
I am someone who has been hurt and hold great grievance against everyone. Who turned their back against me into suffering and death. I could not be saved. No one could fight for me. But now I am back, and everyone shall face my wrath. I will torment everyone till death is their last option.
Please, let's step outside. I don't think that she's going to stop. Whoever just spoke now is not Chinaza. She's not the girl that I gave birth to.
But we have to stop her. Whichever way. Killing her will just stop the chaos and liberate those people under her spell.
You are mad. You are very mad. Wait, is that your solution? Mbakanjog, is that your solution? Killing my child? You are very wicked. I have always known that you're a wicked woman. Okay, so let me ask you. If Ngozi was in this same position and the spirit is possessing her, is this the only solution you come up with? No, will you have the mind to say this same thing that you just said now?
Well, you are being too emotional. It's not an emotional thing. That thing that is inside your daughter is not your daughter. I'm sorry. She's just one person now. Is she important than hundreds and thousands of people that is under her spell in this village? She's not.
If you say one more word again, I will give you a very dirty slap. You are mad though. She is my daughter. And she is more important than anyone else. I will not let any harm come her way. So, if your so-called solution is killing my only daughter, just know that number one, you will have to go through me first before you get to her. And secondly, I will not let any harm come her way. If you were truly pregnant
I would have said maybe the pregnancy has gotten into your head. But I know that you are not. So you are just a very wicked and mean woman. You!
Ladies, please, please, can we just stop? Let's stop this and think clearly. We are here to liberate Chinaza. Let's concentrate in doing just that. That should be our only move. Please.
Whatever spirit you fight against is the most grievous spirit I have ever seen. But it is not undefeatable.
Great One, please tell us what can be done so we can be able to defeat this spirit.
You have to support your daughter. Ngozi came as a gifted child to oppose the reincarnated evil child. Chinasa reincarnated someone who became very evil as a result of her unjust death. And Ngozi is here to oppose and stop her.
But our daughter Ngozi is not much. I saw her powerless in the face of Chinaza when she attacks.
She needs to be fortified and trained. Her gift and weapon needs to be activated, and I'm here to guide her through the task.
Great One, please be specific. When can we proceed with this training?
As soon as possible. You all can leave, but she will be with me for a week. When she returns, she will be capable to combat evil.
You are food. You love us back.
I know this food must be so delicious.
Trust me now.
I trust your handiwork. I know what you can do.
Enjoy your meal.
Wait.
What?
What is this?
What is this? Food.
I asked for food. And you brought me gravels.
I don't understand, Oni. This is rice and chicken. What are you
Take this
saying?
thing away. You must be very crazy to expect me to eat this. I will do no such thing.
You don't expect my stress of preparing this food to just be waste like that.
Take this nonsense away.
Oni, eat your food, Joe. Eat your food.
I said take this thing away.
I said command.
Yes, my queen. Welcome.
Trapping the queen? Like an helpless fish in the sea. And even try to knock me unconscious.
You small witch. Do you think possessing my wife and the other women makes you a queen? You lie. We will kill you before you destroy us in this village.
What did you just say? Are you all still standing there? Punish him! Make him to eat this!
I will not.
Only you eat this food.
I will not.
I fire this meat.
I will not.
Eat that food.
I will not.
I suffer to prepare it. Go down.
I will not eat it. I will not eat it.
Eat it.
Wrong way.
Eat it. Open your mouth and eat it. Eat it. Open. Eat it.
Great One, Please, tell us. We want to know the spirit residing in our daughter. And what business does she have against us?
Agamagele, gele, gele, gele. Agamagele, gele, gele, gele. Agamagele, gele, gele, gele. A very vengeful and dark spirit. You all has hurt her in her past life.
I know Chinaza always talks about her past life and how she was hurt. She always says that we're all the same. So if one of us hurt her in her past life, why then is she terrorizing the whole village?
Yes. A lot of married women are under her control. And a lot of marriage is broken. Being assaulted by their husbands, using their wives.
No one is innocent. It all started in a rich couple's family. The villagers foolishly shamed her, humiliated her, and drove her to her death.
Wise one, this story sounds familiar to my ears. Have I heard of it somewhere?
Yes. You have not only heard about it, you partook of it. Her vengeance is with your family and everyone around you. Her name is Adana, a helpless maiden that only wished to survive and take care of her father that is sick.
Are you talking about Adana, my former maid, who ended her life in front of us?
Ma, please, I just got a call from the village. My father is very sick and I need money to treat him. I was thinking maybe I could get some advance salary.
Advance what?
Salary.
I should pay you for a job that you have not done. Is that how you work?
Please, Ma. My father is very sick and I really, really need to take care of him.
Okay.
It's okay. Don't worry. Let me give you some money.
You want to collect money from me? You are so thick-skinned. You want to collect the money from me? Your father is sick, so what does that have to do with me?
Ma, I need to save my father, please.
How do you expect me to pay you for a job you have not done? How? Let your father die. Yes, he is sick. Let him die. That is what he deserves. After all, he's a burden on you. Is it not a burden? By the time he dies, the little money I pay you as a maid, you will be able to save it, and that will sustain you. Let him die.
Rubbish.
Don't stress me. I am not giving you any money. I can't pay you for a job you have not done.
It's just advance.
What is wrong with you? My friend, get out of this place. I say you should get out. Get out. I can only give you money month end. That is for your salary. Rubbish. If you dare ask me for money again, let it stress me now. I think that's actual money.
What is wrong with you? Why are you crying?
So my father is critically ill and I cannot save him. I asked Madam for some advance salary payment, but she refused me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. As long as it's still pretty, it's not late. How much is it? I will give it to you. Tell me. How much?
Sir, you will do that for me?
Oh, yes. And then I want to do it for you because you know that I love you. Yes. I had to get myself drunk to be able to confess my feelings towards you. I want you.
Okay, you cannot be loving me or you are married. You just give me the money, let me go, please.
Maid. No, it's done. It's done. If you take a good look at me, you see that I'm not happy. Yes, I'm not happy. I feel like my wife, she's more focused on looking perfect with me outside. She doesn't care about me. What type of woman says no to her husband constantly, complaining of how tired she is to make love to me? See, I want you.
Oh God, that has nothing to do with me. Please just give me the money, let me go, please.
No.
Father is dying, please.
You're not understanding the chemistry. Let me make it make sense. And then you see this money, I'm going to give it to you. If I take it, I'll give it to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank
it's
you.
to show you how much I want you.
So this will go a long way for my
Yes.
father. Oh God, please.
What did the doctor say? Was it just malaria fever?
No. She's pregnant. And she needs to tell us who is responsible. It's better start talking. Who got you pregnant? Who? Who did?
Madam Tonga. He said that he loves me.
Oh wow.
I know doing it with him was very wrong, but I felt pity and sorry for him.
Out of pity. So you gave him a pity sex. He told you he loves you. You now pitied him. You now gave him a pity sex. Are you listening to yourself? Are you listening to yourself? What do you have to say?
My love, I was drunk when it happened. I wasn't myself.
Oga, how can you say that? You told me you had few drinks to muster the courage to confess. How can you take advantage of me and deny it? Please tell Madam the truth, please.
And you say I'm the boss to talk because I'm being calm. Eh? No. I don't understand. You took advantage of him and you dare to blame him. No. What's your plan? You want to get back at me? You want to shame me? You want the whole world? You just want to show the whole world
that we are not a perfect couple that they think we are? Then what is your plan? You pitied him. You gave him a pity sex. And then you are pregnant. How could you take advantage of a vulnerable man at his vulnerable moments?
I did not take advantage.
You do it!
No.
Just go up there.
Ma, please.
Get your bags. Leave my house.
Please, Ma, please.
Don't. You see, I'm being gentle since. I'm not reacting because at the end of the day, this man is the one shaming me, not just you. I said you should get out of this house. Get out! Get out! Get out of my house! Are you stupid? I will show you something. Uncle, pity sex collector. So they pitied you. Got a maid. A maid saying that he pitied you. He felt pity for you. He gave you a pity sex. And you accept the pity sex with your heart. Now she's pregnant with a pity child. So you are going to have a pitiable child. A bastard. Pity bastard. You're not ashamed. You stoop so low with a maid. I just don't want to talk to you. I don't have your time yet. Let me finish with her.
It was never...
Don't talk. You don't have the right to say nothing. Just keep quiet. Rubbish. And you, what are you still doing up there? What are you still doing? Pity sex.
Stop crying. Eh? It is okay. I have seen the way the village is treating you. And honestly, I do not like it. Listen, I don't know what else to do. I know you are pregnant. So I brought food for you. Hmm? I also brought money for you here. Please, eat. And then use the money and find your way back home. Okay?
I cannot go home. My father is very sick. He will die hearing about this. Please take me home with you. I beg you, please.
I'm so sorry. I cannot. And I cannot do more than I have done already. If the villagers even know that I'm here, giving you food or money, they're going to punish me as well. Listen. Okay, is a very big taboo here. I am not supposed to be associating with anybody that has a child out of wedlock. So please, just manage what I have given you. I know you have not eaten. For the sake of the child, eat and then find a way to carry on. Heal and move on with your life. You know, go.
Please don't leave me here. I beg you, please. I'm with child. Look at me with pity, please. Please don't leave me here.
I cannot do more than this, please. Just help yourself. Oh, that is why I gave you money. Help yourself.
Please. Please help me. Please help me.
And what is the reason for this drunkenness? You miss her? Oh, you really love her. And that's why you're this miserable since I sent her away. Is it?
I am miserable because I am guilty. I got her pregnant and I couldn't take responsibility. Allow me to be held accountable for my past mistakes and my actions. I feel like a coward.
She should have stopped you from sleeping with her. When she knew you were drunk. After all, I did not hear the word rape in a story. Obviously means it's consensual, right?
So why then does she have to pay for what we both did willingly? My wife, please, temper justice with mercy. Let's allow her give birth in this house, then we can send her away. We can't just send her to the street like this. It's not human.
I don't care. And you have to stop thinking like Sissy. And I will not have my maid live in my house. Like my mates carrying your child when I don't have a child of my own. Did you get that? I can't allow her make me a laughing stock in the village. How do you want people to look at me? She wants to shame me? Listen, we will continue to live like the perfect picture couple that everybody knows about. And that's the only reason why I have not killed you for betraying me. Rubbish. No.
Let's back and come on.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
To let the world know her story. She died amidst lies, betrayals and suffering. She was a good person, but man's inhumanity turned her to a bad person, an evil spirit, an agent of chaos. Now all she wants is to give her unjust death justice.
Great one. Please. Now we know the reason for our affections and torments. What can we do? What can we do to come out of this terrible situation that is affecting my family?
There must be a way to appease this restless spirit.
Agama gele gele. You will ask the spirit what it would take to appease her restless spirit. Now that you know that your deed, your scheme, and your manipulation is the reason why you're suffering, and your daughter is the weapon of destruction, Ngozi has been given the capacity to stand against spirits. She has been equipped with a weapon to oppose the oppressors.
Thank you, Great Madeza. I shall find a way to free those under her captivity and find a way to put her restless spirits back to rest.
Ah! Agadagodo agadogolo singa. Agadagodo agadogolo singa. Yo! Akaso! Agadagbo. It is time! Oya! Hey, ke. Oya! It is time. Ogerigala! Akatamo! Akaso! Yo! Today is that great day. A united day. We all are gathered here to liberate our brothers, our sisters, our wives from the shackles and the stronghold of witchcraft and evil spirit. Everything is ready. Everything is ready to weaken her spirit, to liberate everyone she has held captives, to liberate them. Cleanse. Cleanse. Cleanse.
That is not my best picture. Auntie, you'd have told me to post something recent and new. And as for your wives, there shall be no liberation.
Never. That will not happen over my dead body.
Attack!
Not again. Not again. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey! Hey! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Scare me. I smell some evil pollution around you. Your innocence and pureness has gone after the fortification and ritual that I was undergoing.
I guess my pureness will not stop you. Chinaza, I have come again to give you another opportunity to stop your havoc, or I'll be forced to stop you.
It seems you have acquired much power. But Ngozi, this is not your fight. They must pay for what they did to me in the past. I need my justice.
And you think this will give you justice? You think this will help your soul to achieve peace? No. You will only become more evil. And soon, a demon will feed on your evil spirit and gain strength.
You know so much about the dead. Did you live through it while gaining powers?
I needed access to immortality to fight a spirit. I saw it all.
But you're still human and can be killed. You have really acquired much powers. But I won't go easy on you.
And I am ready for you.
Oh God. Jesus. Orugo no dear. Eh? So tell me, which of you is here? Is it Chinaza or Adanna?
Which one do you want it to be? Speak. Because Chinaza and Adanna share the same pain and memories.
I do not understand. In the midst of the hatred and everything, I was kind to you. I gave you food. I gave you money to find your way home. So how? How could you even think of tormenting me? I do not understand it. How?
You gave me money when I told you I had no home. You refused to give me shelter. You were just like them when you refused to help me.
It was just me. One person. How could I have challenged hundreds? How?
Your silence made me lose hope and willpower it to go on. You made me lose my humanity. If only you had helped me, at least I would have had a little bit of goodness in me.
So, because of that, you made me carry a child just for you to reincarnate. Tell me, is it a blessing or a curse giving birth to Chinaza?
When you look at Chinaza, what do you think? Isn't she beautiful? Is her beauty a blessing or a curse?
of me for months. Even look at what your daughter has put inside of me. Lizard! Lizard inside of me. Madam is gone.
We need to find a way to end this, or she will not stop coming.
I see her approaching. She's on her way to this place. Mom, you have your freedom now. I'll breathe in something into you, so you'll be immune to her afflictions.
My daughter, not if whatever you intend to do will drain you. I see how greatly affected your strength was when you expelled that evil.
Yes.
You need time to also take care of yourself.
That is right.
While you're trying to liberate others, it's extremely essential and shouldn't be neglected.
Have to be so noisy when you visit.
That is only when my visit is not for peace, but the fourth warning of danger.
I am here now, and I'll protect them.
Not from my wrath. I can see you all already know why I'm here and who I am.
Yes. We know who you are now and why you are here. But I'm going to plead with you to have mercy. Tell us what to do. Tell us how we can appease your soul so that this torment will come to an end.
You beg for forgiveness. You seek for peace. How can you seek for that? For the wicked.
We are sorry for all the evil, for everything that we have done wrong. The unforgivable, the unthinkable. But I assure you that we are ready and willing to make the right decision. We are at your mercy and we plead for your forgiveness.
You want to make things right. The only way my soul will be at peace is when I see you all suffer. And death shall be your last option. I am here, and you all will face my wrath.
I don't care if that girl is your blood. She has to die. Yes, she has to be killed. I don't care. What?
What she needs is your confession. Moving for her to kill her will further anger the spirit. Don't you feel sorry for your past? For all you have done to her? How can you speak without remorse?
I will fight to finish life after life. You could know this is fight. There is always payback time.
I heard you are looking for the evil spirit that has been tormenting this whole village, including me.
Yes, that is correct. Tokila. We are done with a continuous torment. In fact, killing her is the only way to liberate our wives under her spell.
But you know you cannot kill a spirit. You cannot. You will only kill the vessel. And the evil spirit will jump out of that vessel, enter another person, and continue its torments.
Akoko. Leave down where they talk.
See, you just discourage us.
You know the talking will make us change our mind. But you know the war. Because you don't see your pikin. The evil way they talk about, they stay inside your pikin body.
Exactly.
See, madam, make I tell you. As far as this village and we concerned, we don't convey your pikin. So
your daughter is as good as dead.
And we no go show her mercy, oh. No mercy for her. Today, we dey kill her today.
Wow.
Ha!
If you succeed in killing my daughter, and the evil spirit comes out of her and enter another person, will you continue killing and killing and killing until you end up wiping out the whole village?
That's the problem.
Listen to me. Listen to me. We have to find another way because it will not work. Let us find another way and send this evil spirit back where it came from.
We have tried all that. We even attempted a ritual, but the spirit would not allow. See, if everyone here stops, I will not stop. I must make sure I put an end to the one who carries the spirit and liberate our wives.
If we kill the daughter, we have killed the spirit. And what?
In this life, in this born to a boss. She's born to a boss.
Woman. Honey? What is going on here?
So you were told that killing the vessel in me, the evil spirit, will die? Huh? Who advised you to make such foolish decision?
Honey? Is this still you? Why are you speaking strangely?
You want to kill me, right? You want to kill me? Eh? Go ahead and kill me. Kill the evil spirit in your wife's body. Kill me and see if it will end me. Go ahead and kill me.
Oh. You are instigating my kill my wife? You evil spirit! Out of her now!
See you. You want to protect your wife. But when it was someone else's loved one, you were so determined to kill without even thinking twice. Don't worry, kill me now. If you do not drop that weapon down, I will end your wife's life now. At this minute. My queen. My queen. My queen, you're so beautiful. My queen.
want this torment and suffering to end. And you want me to tell you how it ends. Today I will have mercy on you and end this suffering. Take this. Use it on your husband.
As command, my queen.
I have sympathized with you. I have felt your pain for all you went through. But their death, it will never give you peace. Unless you let it go.
This is not your fight, Ngozi. You don't know how it feels to be betrayed and lied upon. And have to take your life when life becomes unbearable.
I will not let that happen. Just as you were born to bring chaos, I was born to bring peace.
Then I will end you. Are you sad because you could not speak in the face of injustice? Or you're sad because of your daughter's life?
I am sad because a young girl died, believing that she was not worth saving, and the world moved on like nothing happened. If the villagers had listened to her and showed her a little bit of compassion, she'll still be alive and there'll be peace. I am sad because I was not brave enough to help or to speak up.
And now you shall pay for it. I manipulated you into sleeping with Mr. Ejike, so I could come through you. Buke is a taboo in our community. That was your exact word. That was the reason you couldn't help me during my pregnancy.
But you forget there was nothing I could do. You forget that there was no way I could have taken care of you throughout your pregnancy.
You had compassion, but you couldn't use it.
Listen, just spare my daughter. That is all I am asking you to do. You can take me instead, please.
What do you think you want to do?
What does it look like? I'm trying to end my life hoping that my death will finally give yours justice and find rest in the afterlife. Why did you stop me? Do you feel sorry for me?
No, I don't. I'm actually happy you're killing yourself. But you don't get to choose the easy way.
Is that what you did many years ago when you killed yourself and made me look responsible for your death? Was that the easy way?
Yes. When life becomes unbearable, difficult, and painful, death has to be the only option.
I don't find dying easy. But if it's the only thing that I have to do to end this torment and appease your soul, I want you to know that I've left with no other alternative. Willingly, I shall die.
Then you must wait for my instructions and command. I decide how you and your wife dies. If you die now, the justice I seek won't be served. Wait for my instructions.
What have I gotten myself into in my family? Adana. I am finished.
What are you doing? Go and get your things. We're leaving.
What do you mean leaving? You mean we're running away? Did you forget to have a mission and I must see it to the end?
See what to the end? Eh? I don't know why you are taking those words serious. I love you. And I would die if anything happens to you. This battle is not your fight. Let it go. Please.
It's too late, Mom. I already embraced my purpose. I can't live without achieving my aim.
Which is?
To stop Chinaza and end having of terror in this village.
Ngozi, you are not omnipresent. Neither are you omniscient. You are not everywhere to save everyone. I almost died that day without even thinking it. I would have died.
But you didn't. Because I was on time to save you.
Ngozi.
I am the only one who can oppose her. I can't run away, leaving this mission and power.
Do you think if I had lived long, we would have become good friends?
We cannot tell now. Because you decided to end it all. Because you were a coward. And you decided to die instead of to live and fight. Now you go around blaming everyone else but yourself for losing the will to live.
Did someone tell you provoking me will make me rest? That's a very bad advice.
Let my daughter go. You have used her long enough. My daughter deserves to live a normal life like every other teenager.
Your daughter was created for my mission. There is no Chinaza without Adana's mission. So don't think you have a child.
I am very sure in your mind you think I am weak. I am not weak. I will fight you. I will fight with everything I have to make sure that I rescue my daughter from you. Even if I die doing it, I will come back as a spirit and I will fight you fire for fire.
Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Now your voice is loud. When was this loud voice when I was being oppressed so many years ago?
Let's just say that you taught me not to run in the face of injustice, to stay and to fight. Now that I have learned it, I will start with you.
You not to interfere. Oh, they didn't tell you. They didn't tell you that if you use much of your powers, your heart will stop beating.
It does not matter. I do not fear for my life. I only fear your reign of chaos, and I would rather die than see you enslave everyone.
Ngozi, I liked you. I thought you could see the evil I see in humans. That's why I kept on appearing in your dreams. But it seems you want to end me, and I won't let you. Attack her! I will end you!
Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Come
out!
Pack your load and go.
Come out!
Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. Evil woman. Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. Evil woman. Mrs. Ejike, pack your load and go. Pack your load and go.
Enough! The hour of truth has come. Some of our women has been made to suffer for something they did not know.
Hi. A lie was told against an innocent girl some years ago. We have paid for the sins of our ignorance. And because we were manipulated by you, Mrs. Ejike, to humiliate and chase that girl away.
You will confess the truth this instant, or will be forced to carry out justice on that girl's behalf.
I have not stopped regretting my actions. Honestly, I was trying to protect my marriage. Yes, she was innocent. Yes, she slept with my husband. But she never said this thing. And my husband have been trying to make things right ever since then. In the process of trying to protect my marriage, I did something evil. I am sorry.
All this while, some of our women have suffered for your evil seed. We will let it go because they have been liberated by your own seed. You know what? Ngozi found favor in the hearts of the gods. They have been liberated, and we also have been liberated.
So, are you saying that Chinaza has been defeated?
It doesn't look that way. I would say Ngozi has set us free, but found herself at the mercy of Chinaza.
What did you say?
You have me right.
Where's
my daughter in trouble?
Where's Chinaza? Babe!
Mrs. Ejike,
This is the dwelling place of your ancestors. I will end everything here and destroy the powers you have acquired.
I deserve anything you want to do to me. I am the daughter of the people who hurt you so bad. Just take your revenge on me and end this.
My fight is not with you, Ngozi. Your death will make my soul be at peace.
Don't you want to see them suffering? Don't you want to see them in pain? Nothing will hurt them more than watching their own daughter die for their sins.
What are you insinuating? That I should kill you? Are you tired of living? Do you want to die?
If you won't kill me, then at least just hear me out. I will make them confess before the entire village. The truth will be told at the very spot where you died. Then you'll be given a befitting burial and a cleansing ritual so you can find yourself at the white gates of the pure spirit.
It sounds tempting. I'm tempted. But will the wicked be truly sorry? Because they have passed mercy. I will torment your parents till death is their last option.
And it will never appease your soul. You will only be more evil and be the worst wandering spirit that will soon be consumed by the black demon.
Then I will take my chances.
I was even going to your place. I see you have heard the bad news.
Is my daughter okay? What is your evil daughter doing to her? Oh, Eldrin, what is she doing to her?
You know Adana is the one doing this. The girl, your lies and your wickedness sent to her early grave. So don't pin it on my daughter. Don't try pinning it on my daughter, Biko.
Ladies, please focus. This is not the time or place for this. Would you please speak to me? Is Ngozi still fine?
Chinaza got angry because Ngozi was always interfering and held her hostage. She has refused to release her, and honestly, I do not know what she's going to do. I don't.
I'm not going to allow my children suffer for my past sin. It all started with me and it will end with me.
What are you going to do? You know you cannot defeat the spirit.
The spirit wants something. My death that appease her restless soul. I must give my life to death at her command. With that, this whole thing will come to an end.
Ow! Can we just even go to where she is right now? Please, can we?
Bothered. Let's go.
Wow! A full house! The entire family is here! Ngozi, do you see how people care about their own, but treat others like trash?
Words are not enough to express how deeply sorry that I am for the past. I almost became an alcoholic when I thought about how I failed you that very day. But I needed to pick up myself for my child, because life is for the living. If the living made you angry, and you demand my death for justice to seem completely served, willingly, I will submit myself to your command, and you will tell me how you want me to end my life.
You, Mrs. Ejike, are you willing to atone with your life? Are you willing to give up your life for that of your daughters?
What must we do? As long as my daughter Ngozi is safe, will we give our life to end this? As it all started with us. Adana, I know I'm a bad person, I'm wicked and I'm evil. You didn't deserve all the evil done to you. Please. Please. I am sorry, Adana. I am truly sorry. Please.
My death took 2 lives. That of my unborn child and mine. I see that you came prepared. But your death will not appease my soul. I need to see you willingly end your life. I want you to end your life. I want you to feel like death is your only option.
possesses the power to subject anyone under their control and make them spill their own blood. By the bond we share as father and daughter, by the power bestowed on me by our forefathers, I call you back to yourself! Renew to myself!
Hey! You're doing one. Naza! Where did she go? Yeah? Ngozi! Ngozi, what have you done?
What I should have done a long time ago.
My child! Mom! My child!
I don't know, please. I don't know, please. Please, I'm so bad. Please, don't kill me. Please. I don't know. I don't know, please.
Dana, please. Don't kill my child. Don't hurt my child. I am begging you. Is this how you want it to end? You want to take her just to make me cry?
Why? I gave her to you, and I can take her back. She was the vessel that I needed. Now that I know taking this life will make you miserable, maybe my soul can finally find peace.
Then you spill the blood of the innocent and be an evil spirit forever. Is it worth it?
You're gonna tell me what is worth it or not. I will do whatever it takes to make sure my soul find peace.
If you take her, what do you stand to gain? This girl is the only person that shared your memory and your pain. She allowed you to use her body to fight. And she never resisted you for one day. Because she knows your pain. And she wanted to fight with you for justice. Now that you want to retire, you want to go with her? Why?
You cannot change my mind. You won't deserve the pain and misery you are going through right now. I was in pain! I lost my life! And that of the life of my child! You all must die!
A body that once felt the pain and shared your memory now begs for freedom. Let Chinaza's spirit and her eagerness for freedom has to live as herself in her own body. We are alone! Leave out! No! Let me! No!
Hey,
I'm free. I'm free. Mommy, I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Because you thank you.
Oh.
Paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yay, I won! Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2. Okay.
One last. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2-1.
Your mark. It's gone. Why? What does that mean?
It means I can finally live like an ordinary teenage girl. The mark came when the evil spirit arrived. With the spirit gone, he has no need to remain.
You're right. At least we can live like a normal teenager, like you said. No more fighting against evil spirit or opposing.
I agree. Nothing changes the fact that we are special, and the village is going to talk about our story for a very long time.
About that, those women, they're still scared of me. I think I traumatized them a lot.
No, not you. You did nothing wrong. Adana, the aggrieved spirit, did. You're a kind and beautiful soul. I bless the heavens for giving me a good sister like you.
sisters forever.
Yeah, let's continue. Rock, paper.
I'm happy this whole thing has passed, and I'm very happy I stood by you.
Honestly.
I love you so much. I can't love you any less.
I know. The fact that you didn't give up on me, I will always love you.
I can't give up on you, baby.
If you're so scared, then how do you intend to take care of my mother? Protect her.
You know, I've not recovered from the last time, you know. I'm still recovering. I'm really scared. It's not easy to be dumb. Baby. Ask the community. They are aware of this. It was not easy for me, okay? Even at that, I still find myself running back to your mom. I love her so much more than my life. I really do love your mom, I do.
I know you love her unconditionally.
I really do, I do.
And she deserves someone who will care and take care of her. She's the best. She never gives up on me.
My child. Mom. My priceless jewel. I am so happy to hear this. I am really happy to hear this from you. I never knew a day like this would come. I am so happy that everything is okay now. I missed you. Manachero, are you happy? Are you okay?
Yes, Mother.
Are they treating you well in your father's house? Listen. If you don't want to stay there anymore and you want to come back and live with me, do it. In fact, I want you to come back.
Mother, I'm okay. I'm fine. Mommy Ngozi is still scared of me. But from the Adana's evil spirit stuff, she's becoming a good person. And as for my dad, he's trying to make up for the time that he was not with me. And Ngozi, she's a good sister. I thank God for giving me a sister just like her. Mommy, I'm fine. And you also have to be fine for me.
I promise you, I'll be a good daddy to you. A good daddy.
It's okay. Listen, let us go inside. Let me prepare ufentedo for you. All right. Let's go.
Nothing goes for nothing. Nothing goes for nothing. In this life. In this fight to finish. Life after life. If you believe it, you could know this is fight. There is always payback time.